Here is a spray gas boat, a little remote control toy that goes in the water. We're gonna open up and test it out. Here we go, let's see. Okay, we got our instructions. It comes with a little screwdriver, a battery pack to go inside, and then this USB charger that you plug the battery into to charge. And then, all right, and then it comes with, here is the boat, and then show them the remote control. And then it comes with a little matching remote control. So you need the screwdriver to open up here to put the battery pack in. Should we do that?
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay. All right, so we used our little screwdriver, open this up, and we're gonna stick this right in here. So that attaches right there. This goes inside, and then we're gonna screw it right back on.
And then we need some, this is have batteries in it. And then
No, does that need batteries too?
I have batteries.
All right, and then we just opened up the controller. So you will need 2 AA batteries for the controller for this to work.
One big damn man. I gotta go to the bun. It's moving, Mommy. It's not moving.